Back again to my channel, namely, the Ruang Tabroni channel. This time we will draw animals. Here we will draw a rooster. This is an example of a chicken picture that you want to paint. Let's start painting, starting from the tail, legs, then to the head. If the creation process is too fast, friends can stop the video for a moment, then continue again. Follow each stage to produce beautiful work. The creation process is complete. Now, we repeat the drawing with the faster version. The creation process is complete. Please follow and continue working. Thank you. Nice to meet again.